All right, guys, so we're going around doing interviews. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that many of you were wondering, why haven't I been posting? And why am I making videos in Spanish? So in today's vlog, I'm gonna be answering those questions for you guys. All right, guys, so we're going around doing interviews. Go ahead.
First time in VIP section, how you feel?
I don't know.
You're confused. You got mixed emotions. First time in VIP, how do you feel? Excited.
Excited, okay. You? First time VIP, how you feel? Is Hannah here? Is Hannah here? Is Hannah here?
First time.
Hold on.
How do you feel?
Girl, I'm sweating. My whole body's waterproof at this point.
Agreed. Strongly agreed. It is hot in here.
First time VIP, how do you feel?
It is not hot in here, dude. The service is taking forever. This is really VIP, but they have to speed up the service because I feel like I'm in a regular hotel waiting to check in. That's how I feel like. So I'm giving it a -0. A -0.
Hey guys, so in the last clip you guys saw me eating, and I'm about to show you the room that we just got, and I'm gonna give you a tour. So as you guys can see, this is the room, and here's the closet, and we're gonna see. We already started unpacking, so it's it has a little something in there. We haven't finished packing, but I wanted to show you guys before we disarm everything in here. And this is the bathroom. I like this. This is pretty. All right, so this is the toilet. Pretty cool. Love it. Toilet. Yes. Okay. And then we have the shower right here. Love it. Pretty nice. Not that fancy, but it's fancy. And then now we go into the bed, where the bed is and whatever. Here we have a little coffee area. I don't drink coffee, so hopefully I find some tea in there. You feel me? And here I have my computer set up to edit the videos for you guys. I'm really excited about that. And then this is the bed. I'm currently deciding whether I want to go to the beach like legit right now. And if you guys want to see the pictures for the fits for this trip, y'all gonna follow me on Instagram. I'm Rubi Capellan. You guys will see it in the description. So make sure that you guys follow me and stay tuned for whatever is coming up in this few Sunday videos. Also, to finish out the video right here, guys, I want to let you all know this channel is now bilingual. So we will be speaking in English and in Spanish. So for those that speak English, take this as a free Spanish class. And then for those that speak English, speak Spanish only, take this as your English class. It's free. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like the new setup that I'm doing. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you love it, if you like it. Let me know what videos you guys want to see. And also stay tuned because as I said before in the last video, I have not been uploading because I have been spending a lot of time with family because we were planning this trip for this week so that we could be together and stuff like that. So on this video, you guys will see a lot of them, and you guys will get to know them. You guys will get to know my personality. Where does my personality really come from? And I hope that you all are having a beautiful summer in this 2021. I know it has been very hard, but this year and right now, I'm really just taking a lot of time enjoying and being grateful for the little blessings that the Lord has been able to give me. So I just want to let you guys know before I end this vlog, take a time to just think about how grateful we are that we are still here, that our family, even though many of our families did not make it to see this year, but many of them they did. And let's take a moment to be grateful about that. Let's take a moment to appreciate them, let them know that we love them, and spend as much time as you can with them, because last year showed us that we have a limited time, and we have to make sure that the people we love, they know that we love them. So stay tuned, guys, for the next few videos that are coming up. You already know this channel has changed to a bilingual channel, sis. So you already know, guys. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.